Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Mexicanas en el Mundo. I'm Alexandra, a Mexican in Switzerland, and today I'm going to teach you how to prepare a soup which is quite traditional here in Switzerland. It's called Bündner Gerstensuppe. I'm not sure if I say that correctly. My kids and I call it sopa suiza, which would be the kind of nickname we gave it in Spanish, which would be in English Swiss soup. The weather is still chilly, so these soups are quite enjoyed in the house right now. It's very simple and it's very healthy. It's actually quite a very healthy soup, so I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so these are the ingredients you need to make your Swiss soup. It's going to be 4 carrots, salt and pepper, 2 onions plus an extra onion which you're going to stick some cloves in. These will add flavor to your soup. You're going to dunk it into the soup. 3 leek, 3 bay leaves, 400 grams of smoked pork chops, and 200 grams of barley. This is what barley looks like in case you've never seen it. And water, of course. You're going to need about 3 to 4 liters of water. That depends on how big your pot is and how thick you like your soup. If you don't like it so thick, then you add more water. If you like it thick, then you add about 3 liters. Okay, so the next step is chopping up our veggies. First we peel our carrots and we chop it up in very fine little squares. Same with our onion, we peel it and we chop it up finely. And leek, all we do is we cut it in really thin circles. No chopping there, just circles. So I finished chopping up the carrots and now I'm doing the onions. I honestly cry a lot every time I chop onions. It's quite annoying. So I have my trusty onion goggles. You can see the picture of the onion wearing its goggles. They're special. They're not just, I didn't just put them on because I want to. They're special. So okay, you just chop up your onion quite finely as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect. And yeah, these glasses help a lot. Otherwise, I end up looking like someone died in my kitchen. Okay, so the next step is chopping up our meat. We make little cubes, bite-sized chewable cubes, and what your meat is, I want to specify in case I didn't in the beginning, it's cured smoked pork chops. I'm not sure if the ones they sell in US or other places come with bone or it's just the meat like I find it here in Switzerland. If you want to add the bone to your soup, I guess that's fine, it adds more flavor, and if not, just cut around and take the meat out. So you cut slices and then you cube it up. Okay, the next step is we're going to heat up our pot and we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. And once it's hot, we're going to add our onions, our carrots, and our leek. So they steam up and saute in there. We're going to leave them in the pot for about 5 minutes steaming up. We can occasionally stir with a wooden spoon, and after the 5 minutes we do the next stuff. Okay, so our vegetables have been steaming for about 5 minutes, and the next step is adding our 3 liters of water, our barley with the 3 bay leaves, the chopped up meat with the onion, which we put the cloves in, and salt and pepper. That's going to be to taste, so don't add a lot so it's not over salty. Add just a bit, and after it boils for about 2 hours on low to medium heat, then you can taste your soup and see if it needs more salt or pepper. Okay, so our soup is finally done. I already put some on a plate. Here, let's see if you can get a view. The attractive thing in the soup is the colors, the variety, the greens, the oranges, but the best thing in the soup is the taste. It's honestly really, really nice for such a simple soup. It has a nice warm feeling to it. So I hope you enjoyed the recipe. I hope you make it, and ingweta. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.